Have you ever thought that if you had invested just 10,000 rupees in Bitcoin 5 years ago, today you might have been a millionaire? Or if you had invested 10,000 rupees in Reliance shares back in the 1990s, your retirement plan would be fully set by now. But wait, I'm not telling you to go and blindly buy crypto or random stocks. The truth is, wealth creation isn't about luck or get rich quick schemes. It's about smart, consistent decisions that compound over time. Just give me a few minutes and I promise you'll get a wealth creation roadmap that 99% of finance influencers never talk about. So, welcome back to our Basics of Personal Finance series. Today, we're going to talk about smart investments, but not just theory, actual practical steps. Because the real goal of learning finance is to achieve financial freedom. In this video, I'll take you step by step through how to start your investment journey as a complete beginner in India. Let's start with a simple truth. Investing is not gambling. It's putting your money to work so it grows with time. In India, the average inflation rate is around 6%. What does that mean? Simple. If you keep 100 rupees in a fixed deposit earning 4%, you're losing 2% of your wealth every year. Let me explain with a real example. Rahul kept 1 lakh rupees in his savings account in 2010. After 12 years, the account shows 1 lakh 25,000 rupees. Sounds like profit, right? Wrong. If he had invested the same 1 lakh rupees in a basic index fund, it would have grown to 4.5 lakh rupees. And after adjusting for inflation, his 1 lakh 25,000 rupees is worth only 65,000 rupees in today's terms. Number 1. Start early. Time is your biggest asset. If you start investing 5,000 rupees per month at age 25, you could build over 3 crore rupees by the time you're 60, assuming 12% returns. Number 2. Be consistent. Whether the market is up or down, regular investing is the key. This is called SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Number 3. Diversify. Spread your investments across different asset types. Before investing even a single rupee, you need to understand your current financial position. Step 1. Calculate your net worth. Net worth equals assets minus liability. Assets, bank balance, investments, property, gold, etc. Liability, loans, credit card balance. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Before investing, create a fund with at least 6 months of expenses. This is your financial safety net. Interesting fact, during COVID-19, Indians who had emergency funds were 70% less likely to take high interest personal loans. Step 3. Clear. High interest debt. Credit card debt can have interest rates as high as 36 to 42%. No investment can give you that kind of return. So clear this debt first. Now let's talk about actual investment options. What are the best choices for beginners in India? Number 1. Fixed income investments, fixed deposits, FDs. Safe but low returns, 5 to 6%. Public Provident Fund, PPF. Tax-free returns, approximately 7.1%. Real example, my neighbor Uncle Sharma retired with 60 lakh rupees, entirely from 30 years of disciplined PPF contributions. Number 2. Equity investments, index funds. The simplest way to enter the stock market. Examples, Nifty 50, Sensex Index Fund. Large cap. Mutual funds, invest in stable big companies. Flexi cap funds, invest in a mix of large, mid and small companies. Number 3 hybrid options, balanced advantage funds. Automatically manage equity debt ratio. Multi-asset funds, invest across equity, debt, gold, etc. Number 4. New age options. Digital gold. Invest from 10 rupees REITs. Real estate investment trusts. For commercial property investments, NPS, National Pension Scheme. For retirement with tax benefits. Now it's time to create your first investment portfolio. Here's a basic beginner strategy for someone aged 25 to 35. with any monthly investment amount, 50% in equity index funds, 30% in flexi-cap funds, 10% in gold, can be through sovereign gold bonds or digital gold, 10% in fixed income, FD, PPF or high quality debt funds. Pro tip: use SIP to invest regularly. The market will always go up and down, but CP helps average your buying cost. Step 1. Complete. KYC. Use Aadhaar, PAN and bank account to finish your KYC online. Step 2. Choose a platform. You can invest through your bank's investment portal or with AMC Asset Management Company websites, discount brokers like Zerodha Grow, etc. Step 3. Start small but start now. Even 500 rupees per month is a good beginning. Step 4. Monitor. But don't obsess. Check your investments quarterly, not daily. So, my friend, investing is like planting a tree. The best time was 20 years ago, and the second best time is today. Financial freedom requires discipline. Start today, no matter how small the amount. Just remember these three things: start early, stay consistent, keep learning. If you watch this video till the end, you're already ahead of 90% of people who don't take financial freedom seriously. In the next episode, we will be mastering the art of budgeting for Indians. Till then, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll answer all your questions in the comments. Now, I'll meet you in the next episode. Till then, Voice with Vivek signing off.